instructions for washing machines. Before switching the appliance on for the first time, do make sure that the transfer bolts are removed. Use a separate earthed socket for the power supply. Make sure that the plug is accessible. Hold the plug and not the electric cable when unplugging the power supply. Make sure that the fuses in the power circuit are rated for 15A and direct sunlight to prevent plastic and rubber components from aging. Make sure that the power cord is not caught under or in the appliance and avoid damage to the power cable. Check that those joints and connections are firm and no other can leak. If joints are loose or there is leakage, turn off the water supply and refix. Do not use the washing machine until the hoses are properly fixed. Do not touch or use the appliance when barefoot or with wet or damp hands or feet. Do not use flammable detergent or dry cleaning agent. Do not use any flammable sprays in the close vicinity to the appliance. Do not remove or insert the plug in the presence of flammable gas. Do not allow children or infirm persons to play with the appliance or packing materials. Do not install the appliance outdoors in a damp place or in an area which may be prone to water leaks, such as under or near a sink unit. In the event of a water leak, allow the machine to dry naturally. Do not place the washing machine directly on a carpet or close to a wall or furniture.